Welcome back to Tom's Kitchen. Today we're going to be doing a soup called Leekie. It is a traditional Scottish soup of chicken and leeks. If you don't know what a leek is, it's related to the onion family. I'll show you how to cut it and all that good stuff. Let's get on with the show. This right here is a leek. Give me a minute and I'll show you how to cut it. First, we're going to take the little end off. Take most of that off. One thing about leeks is they tend to get dirt in between them. So when you cut it, you want to let it soak. See how it is? Yeah, it gets dirt all up in there. So good. The recipe calls for 7 leeks. I already did the other 6. We take that leek just cut up in a bowl of water or some sort of container with water. Dump that in there. Let it soak. So I got a little too big of a bowl, but oh well. Yeah, I'm going to move on to the rest. Okay, I got 10 cups of water heating up right now. And into this, we're going to add 4 pounds of chicken thighs, bone still in, skin removed. This is approximately 4 pounds. To that, we're going to add 1 onion chopped, and a 1/3 cup of barley. You don't want to use quick barley because it's going to be cooking for about an hour or more. So you just use a regular old pearl barley. There you go. Like I said, this is the rest of the leeks. Calls for, like I said, 7 leeks sliced, 2 stalks of celery thickly sliced, 10.5 ounce can of chicken broth, some thyme, and parsley, but that'll come in later. Let's just get going. We'll bring this to a boil and reduce it to a simmer. Let it cook for an hour. Okay, now that it's come to a boil, I reduced it to simmer. I'm going to let it simmer for about an hour. See it in an hour. Looking back, it's been about an hour. Our next thing is to pull out the chicken and take the bone out and dice it. Show you that in a minute. Yeah. Pull the chicken out. Right along the bone. Do be careful because it is hot. We'll make sure you get all that cartilage out too. this, we're just gonna cut it into bite-sized pieces. See, there's a piece of cartilage. With that, we're going to put that right back into the pot. Okay, diced up the chicken into bite-sized pieces, put it back in the pot, crank it up a little to add the leeks. And move some half of them over the stove. Okay, so you probably want a bigger pot than what I have. I'll leave those out for a bit until everything else is softened and takes up less room. 2 stalks of celery I told you about. 1 sprig of thyme chopped up. And 2 tablespoons of fresh diced or fresh chopped parsley. Sorry, 1 tablespoon. The chicken stock, the chicken broth, teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Not black pepper. Gonna let it cook again for another 30 minutes. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, when it's done, just gotta portion it up, bowl it up, however you want to put it. I'll see you at the table. If you don't like barley in your soup, or barley at all, you can use potato instead. Substitute 1 pound of potatoes for the barley. Huh? There we go. As always, get a little bit of everything. As much as I can. Bon appetit. It's real good, tasty. Professionally, it's perfect. Nice mellow flavor. Personally, I would add a little more thyme. But all in all, it's a good soup. Wish I had a bigger pot, then it wouldn't be so crowded, but hey, them's the breaks. If you like this video or any of my other videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. so you'll be notified of my next upload. Thank you and have a great day.